and now we will create a new machine, which is a virtual machine within the VirtualBox. So click on it and choose the operating system name, or any name whatsoever you want, so that you can identify which operating system is installed in that particular machine. So once that is done, just click on continue and allocate the RAM. We are allocating about 3 gigs of RAM, and click on continue and then create a new virtual hard disk now. So let's create it, and it will be a VDI type, and continue. So we have the option of choosing dynamically allocated, which basically means if you are selecting the disk space of 15 GB, it won't take the space upfront, but it will take or occupy the space as you go. So if you are currently occupying 6 GB in your virtual machine, then it will just take 6 GB space on your host hard disk. So if you're choosing fixed size, then it will take the disk space upfront. So whatsoever it is, 20 gigs, 15 gigs, whatsoever. So click on continue, and we are just choosing 10 gigs of hard disk for this particular machine. And yeah, so now we have the machine ready. So once the machine is ready, so it is like an empty container, and you will choose the virtual image or ISO file of the operating system. And once that is done, then the installer will install the operating system within that virtual machine, which is this one. So the operating system will be installed in it. Currently it is a blank box.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.